Everybody loves these beautiful Kadence starter templates that are part of the Kadence suite of tools because they're not just design, they are complete one-click solutions to solve whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish online, whether it be an e-commerce platform that you want or an online course platform or maybe a fully functional website for your business. That's what these Kadence starter templates accomplish. And they're templates for every type of situation: restaurant templates, influencer templates, agency templates, law templates. They're all here with a few mouse clicks. Anyone can have it on their website. But have you ever wanted to provide the same type of solution to your customers or your audience online to better serve them? Well, I'm here to tell you that there is a way. Introducing Kadence Child Theme Builder. Now, before I show you how to make one of these starter templates, let me show you what your customer's experience is going to be. And you can sell these to your customers. You can give them away if you're a content creator. You can add them as a bonus to your online course. You can distribute these however you want. Let me show you what that customer experience will be. Here is a brand new WordPress website, and in just a few steps, I'm going to have a fully functional, custom, beautifully designed website. So first, I'm going to go to Appearance and then Themes. I'll click on Add New. I'll search for Kadence. Here it is. I'll click on Install, but I'm not going to activate it because I'm going to install a custom child theme. Next, I'm going to click on Upload Theme, and I've already purchased this and downloaded the child theme to my computer. Here it is. I'll click on Install Now, and then I'm going to activate. So now you've seen step one, which is to install but not activate the Kadence theme. And then the second step is to install and activate the child theme. Now, the Kadence theme has to stay on the website because the child theme is dependent upon the Kadence theme. Now, the third step is really simple, and there's a prompt right here that says Install Kadence Starter Templates. So I'm going to click on that to install starter templates. And now I'm taken to a little bit different of a startup screen for Kadence starter templates. And we can see right here, the first option and a new option is from the creator that sold me this starter template. So I have her logo here. It's a completely branded experience. And when I choose this right here, I can see the design that she sold me and she created for me. And I can now add this to my website with just a few mouse clicks. But we also see some custom branding in the top right. We see her logo here and her brand name here as well. So I want this on my website. And now we're on to step 4. I'm going to click on the image and I'll click on Start Importing. Now, this is a completely professionally and very impressive design. It's complete with WooCommerce integration. It's a beautiful website. All right, my website is finished. So far, I've invested about 2 minutes into this process. Now, I'm going to click on Finished, View Site, and I'm going to see a beautifully designed website right here that is complete. The design is amazing. It's built using Kadence blocks. The theme is using Kadence, but it's been fully customized. I didn't have to go through any hoops to import any pages or do anything that involved. I really just was 4 simple steps of clicking around. And this is complete with e-commerce. I can click right here and see the WooCommerce shop. And here we have it with the beautiful product pages. That was easy. This is a new Kadence child theme that is soon going to be available at Restored 316 Designs. And meet Lauren right here. And she's been in the business of creating beautiful feminine-based websites and selling them. And her customers love the work that she's doing because she is taking her design and her expertise and packaging it up, and people are happy to purchase this from her because it's a solution to what their problem is, and they want a beautiful website with as little effort as possible. And the site that I just showed you will soon be available for purchase on her website. So now her customers are going to get to benefit from all of the features and flexibility of the Kadence theme with the header builder, the globally linked colors, as well as the font system and the flexibility and high performance of the theme when it's paired with the blocks. her customers are going to get to benefit from that. And it's going to make it a lot easier for them to make the little customizations that they might want to make on the design that she put together for them. Here's the full web design here that she's put together. And I got to say, it is beautiful and it is fast. So now I want to show you how you can make a custom child theme that will hook into the Starter Templates plugin that will make it easy for your customers to get access to your knowledge and expertise. Now, this is a new plugin from Kadence, and it is only in the membership. So it's going to require that you are a Kadence member to download this new plugin, Kadence Child Theme Builder. Now, your customers that purchase the child theme from you, there's nothing that they're required to purchase because your child theme is going to use the free version of the Kadence theme as well as Kadence Blocks or Elementor and soon Beaver Builder. It's up to you how you want to put your site solution together and sell it. But for you to be able to create the child theme, you'll need to be a member. But it's the most affordable membership in town. So here I am on a website that I would like to package up and sell or give away on my website. So the first requirement is this demo site where you're building this site up that you're going to package. It needs to be on a publicly accessible URL. And the reason why is when your customer goes to install the site on their hosting account, the images get downloaded from where the demo is. So you'll always need to leave this demo up and online. The second thing that you're going to need to do is have the membership and install and activate Kadence Starter Templates. So if I go to the plugins here on this site, it's right here. I'll go ahead and activate this really quick. Now that it's activated, you're going to see a new menu item here that says Child Builder. And when you click on it, we need to fill in a little bit of information. Now, this first bit of information here, you've actually seen before. All of this is going to generate what you're used to. So here's a list of themes. So one of them was the thumbnail image right here. That's what you're going to enter right here for the image. And let me go ahead and click on this. And so the theme name, well, the theme version, this link here, this description, all of this, you're just filling out very simply right here. Don't worry if you make a mistake because you can always come here and change it and then regenerate your child theme. Then you're going to go ahead and save changes. Next, you're going to click here where it says Demo Import Config. Now, this information is what's going to show inside of Kadence Starter Templates. Remember when we first went to it and it showed the logo and the brand name, and then on the top right, it had the logo and the brand name. We saw the screenshot of the homepage and then the title of this template. Well, that's all that's being asked right here. Give it a name, a preview URL, and you are going to want a screenshot of the homepage. This is how I make screenshots of homepages. It's super easy to use. It's a free extension for the Google Chrome web browser called Go Full Page. You simply go to the page and there's a little button you click and it literally just takes a screenshot. So that's how I like to capture those images. Then you'll want to put your brand name and your logo and then save these changes as well. Then you'll click right here where it says Generate Child Theme, and you simply click this one button and the child theme will be created for you and it will be downloaded to your computer. Now, when your customer goes to install this, it will automate the installation of all the plugins that are publicly installable inside of the WordPress plugin directory. Now, if your child theme is dependent upon a pro plugin, you'll just give your customer instructions to have that installed and activated in advance. So if your total solution requires LearnDash or Cart Flows, you'll have to instruct your customer to go and purchase those and then install and activate it. And then when they restore the child theme that you give to them, it'll all be configured perfectly for them. We couldn't be more excited to provide this as an option for you, for agencies to have other income earning potential opportunities with potential clients, as well as content creators that create great stuff, but want to make it easy for their community to be able to implement these ideas in these totally packaged solutions. And it's a great way way to also generate leads if you're a content creator, because you can give this away when someone gives you their email address. We couldn't really be more excited about this and the possibilities that it opens up for you. So if you're not a member and you would like to create child themes, you can either buy a membership, or if you just have a single product, you could log into the customer area and you can easily upgrade to a membership for Kadence today. Thanks for watching this video. Give this one a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.